Okay, so here we are sitting in our 45-50 ton excavator. We're obviously working in construction. Have a look around the building site. There's the flagger lady up there. We got a couple of pipes, dozer, 2 rock trucks, another digger. Down here we got another flag person, a truck, and a loading shovel thing. So, busy construction site. So you wonder what keeps us going in construction. We work 12-hour days or more, 6 days a week. It's a bank holiday Friday now. It's nearly 4:10. So what keeps us going? We're going to be working all day today, tomorrow, and Monday as well. Well, the answer is our wives. Our wives baking. So here we have 2 cookies. This one here is kind of a coconutty job with some nutty bits in it. So, yep, that's good stuff. So that keeps us going. And this other little fella here, I'm not sure what this one is, but it's pretty good. It's got some chocolate in the middle of it. It's kind of peanut butter flavored. So it tastes. Yeah, there's some peanut butter in there and God knows what else. But anyway, this is what keeps us going in construction. Long hours, dust, sweat, heat, all that sort of stuff. It's our wives. So there's that question answered.